resident at Puchong here. Here is one of the unit at top floor, which have a very nice living hall. Here is a dry kitchen with a U-shaped kitchen cabinet, so here you can put the fridge. And then here is the dry kitchen as well, and with the washing machine already. Buy house free washing machine. So let's look at the balcony. So this we not call balcony, it's lana, yeah? It's big size balcony, and you can see, wow, people are swimming, facing swimming pool. Nice view, greeny view as well. You can see a lot of trees when you wake up at the morning. Yeah, it's very nice view unit. Okay, let's look at the room now. Come on. Oh, very straightforward. Let's look at the master room here. Master room. Oh, with the walk-in wardrobe area, and then you can come into the toilet here. Here already with a glass door, separate area, and then with the mirror and tabletop as well. Okay. Here is the room of the unit, the master bedroom, which also can see the swimming pool as well. Okay. With the aircon, everything. So let's look at the second bedroom. Second bedroom also with aircon. The owner just redo the painting here. Okay. So here is the third bedroom. The third bedroom with aircon as well. Okay. Aircon and fan. All room is with fan. Let's look at the share bathroom. Share bathroom with the separate glass door, bath zone area. Okay. So here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit at Puchong resident here. Okay. Thanks.